the future is something you cannot work for exactly the same reason that you cannot work to be happy. Happiness, it's always said, is a byproduct. And it will accrue to you through becoming absorbed in something else altogether, in some other quest altogether. Quest for vision, quest for doing something, anything, may bring happiness.
You may be happy, but you know, if you were happy and you didn't know you were happy, wouldn't that be too bad? See, knowing that you know is like singing in the bathtub. Everybody has a good voice in the bathroom, so that we know when we're happy, we know when we're sad, and when we exist, we know we exist. And in the middle of being happy, you say, my God, I'm happy.